Heading anywhere exciting for Christmas? Traveling for vacation during holiday time is a perfect way to relax, and worrying about privacy, data access, and all that is not relaxing at all. So in this video, I'm going to show you which best VPNs for traveling will make your trip way safer and more enjoyable. You might have seen people questioning, is public Wi-Fi safe? The fact is, it was already a problem before, but now some threat actors create fake hotspots to hack users. You just never know who may try to access your connection, and the best travel VPN is integral to preventing this. So what are the best VPNs then? My choice today is between NordVPN, Surfshark, and protonvpn. And I've also gathered the best deals for them in the description below, so you could save your money for Christmas presents instead. All right, the way those three protect you from online threats is by encrypting your connection. All three VPNs use the best algorithm currently available. On top of that, they prevent leaks on disconnects, they gather no user data, and they even have ad blocking features designed to avoid and block malvertising. Surfshark CleanWeb in particular is a good choice for your laptop, as its browser extension version underwent a powerful overhaul really not too long ago. Now it warns about unsafe websites, it blocks cookie pop-ups, and doesn't even require a VPN connection. In general, those features are especially useful during the holiday season, as the spike in malicious advertising is just simply unreal around Christmas. Now, whether you choose NordVPN, Surfshark, or protonvpn, there are hundreds of countries to select from, with thousands of servers in total, ensuring a stable connection at all times. Now, besides, these three perform the fastest as well, not slowing you down like other VPNs may. Now, either of these providers will keep you safe during traveling, so feel free to pick one of them through the links in the description. Those have the special discount already applied, or just scan this QR code to get to the NordVPN deal page right away. This one is my personal favorite. In addition to providing essential security protection, the main benefit of using a VPN is accessing new content and keeping access to old ones. For instance, what if you have a Christmas trip to Europe, but you need to access a website that's only available in the US? With a VPN, you can connect to the US servers and boom, the issue is solved. Now, if you're using Surfshark or NordVPN, dedicated IP is an option. You can get a static IP for your home country and just avoid any potential issues with your local services. Just make sure to check between NordVPN and Surfshark dedicated IP options. They offer options from different countries. The only downside here is that a dedicated IP comes with a separate price tag. Or perhaps, what if you want to access your favorite Christmas movies, but streaming platforms don't show them in the country of your destination? The best travel VPN helps here as well. Just switch your server and watch whatever your heart desires. So if you want the best video quality and the fastest connection, I recommend NordVPN for streaming, but Surfshark and protonvpn are not far behind. Additionally, with protonvpn, you can access over 15,000 servers, providing the best versatility. Not that you need that many servers. I mean, even Surfshark's modest lineup of 3,200 servers is considered sizable in the industry. So check out these VPNs through the links in the description, or scan this QR code to access the NordVPN discount page. With a VPN, you can keep your holiday season safe and cozy, while also allowing you to watch all your favorite Christmas content from anywhere. NordVPN, Surfshark, and protonvpn really are the best VPNs for traveling. They offer all the security perks, plus tools to dodge scams and fast servers for seamless browsing. So let me know which VPN you picked for Christmas, and I hope you have a good time. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.